Good morning, students. So, we are back again for the next chapter. The same chapter, the second part of it, isn't it? It's the poem which we have learned. Before we start with the exercise, I would like you all to open your book and be ready with the poem. I hope by this time you might have learned the poem by heart. Yes? Okay. A quick reading of the poem. Instead, okay, shall we start? My lesson. An easy lesson may appear too hard at first to me, although to others very clear and simple as can be. If with good will I try to learn, soon I may find it plain. But if from it in haste I turn, hard it will still remain. It will not do to think or say, 'tis of no use to try. To give it up is not the way, nor yet to fret or cry. The way to make that lesson plain, which now too hard I find, is but to try and try again with all my heart and mind. I know not what I may get through in time with proper care. What others have done I may do, and their reward may share. So this was the beautiful poem which we learned. Yes? Coming to the exercises. Before that, girls, I want you to see the antonyms. Okay? In this chapter, we have certain antonyms. What are antonyms? The opposite words, right? Now, the first one is plain. Now, what is plain? Plain, which is clear. And what is the opposite of plain? It's unclear. Unclear. Right? So, plain, antonym is unclear. In haste. In haste means in a hurry. In haste. Okay? In a hurry. And what is the opposite of in a hurry? It's slowly. It's slowly. Now, the next one is hard. Hard. What is the opposite of hard? In this context, it's easy. Okay, hard, easy. And the fourth one is proper. And what is the opposite of proper? It is improper. I hope this is very clear to you. Can you just repeat after me once again? We are going to say the antonyms, okay? Antonym for plain, it's unclear, in haste, slowly, hard, easy, proper, improper, okay? So these are the hard words in the, these are the antonyms in the poem. It's given in your book also, so you can follow that. Right, girls? Now, coming to the, we always write the poem first and then we write the word meanings, isn't it? So make sure that you write the poem with any picture if you want to depict, right? Now, word meanings. Okay? The first one is plain. What is the meaning of plain? Clear and easy to understand. Okay, so you are going to write this. In haste. In haste means in a hurry. In a hurry. Okay. Now, I hope you all are writing. Fret is to worry about something. To about something. Okay, to worry about something. And that's all. Okay, so there are only 3 word meanings given in your book. Let me add one more for you. The 4th one is with all my heart. With all my heart. And what does that mean? It's a phrase, isn't it? With all my heart. And what do you write? The meaning is completely. Completely. Okay, so these are the 4 word meanings for this poem. What are they? Plain, that is clear and easy to understand. In haste, in a hurry. Fret, to worry about something. And with all my heart, that is completely. Right, girls? So, write down the word meanings first. Now, after the word meanings, what are we supposed to do? We are going to write the make sentences, isn't it? So, I hope you all have written. I think the 3 are already given in the book. The 4th one, with all my heart, is the one which I have included. Okay, and the meaning of with all my heart is completely. Right? The second part is, in your writing portion, will be make sentences. Girls, don't forget to draw a line after the word meanings. That means for each question, you are going to underline and complete it. Okay? Now, plain. Okay? We are going to make a sentence with plain. My teacher used plain language to explain the lesson. My teacher used plain language to explain the lesson. Okay, it's simple and clear language. Okay, the one which is more understanding, right? Now, the second one is in haste. Okay. In her haste, she slammed her shoulder against the door. In her haste, she slammed her shoulder against the door. Third one is fret. Now, I think you may agree with this sentence, isn't it? Parents often fret when their children are not near. Fret is to worry, isn't it? So, parents often fret when their children are not near. The last one. And that is with all my heart. With all my heart. Okay, what will be the sentence? I believe with all my heart that we will overcome the pandemic. Okay? I believe with all my heart that we will overcome the pandemic. Okay? So girls, this was the 4 make sentences. First one is plain. My teacher used plain language to explain the lesson. In haste, in her haste, she slammed her shoulder against the door. Fret, parents often fret when their children are not near. With all my heart, I believe with all my heart that we will overcome the pandemic. Right? Okay. Just one question we will do right now, and the rest of the question answers and other activities will be done in your Microsoft Teams. Okay? If you see page number 31, the second question, the lesson is hard. Option is to everyone, only to the poet, to others but not to the poet. Now, for whom was the lesson hard? The lesson was hard only to the poet. Okay? So, which is the answer? The B one is the answer. So, you just have to tick B. Okay? Now, questions from in between, if you see, first one is an dash easy lesson may appear dash at first. An easy lesson may appear, there are 2 options given, simple or hard at first. What is that? An easy lesson may appear hard at first. Okay? We must not give up on something in a hurry. Yes or no? We must not give up on something in a hurry. The answer is yes. We must not think it is no use to try, it will be useful to try. We must not think it is no use to try. The answer is it is no use to try. Similarly, in page number 31, the poet is sure that hard work brings rewards. Yes or no? The answer is yes. So that's all about the exercises. The rest of the work will be given to you by the teachers during your Microsoft Teams. I hope the lesson, the poem is clear to you. Make sure that you learn the poem by heart. Okay? And write down the word meanings and make sentences in your copy before the question answers are given to you. Okay? So that's all for today. Have a nice day, girls. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.